A pleasant morning to each and every one of you. I am Ricky Esteban.
And I am Stephen Noel Doliaga, and we're here at Malacanang National High School.
Today, we are going to conduct an interview in our subject CSE, Community Engagement, Solidarity, and Citizenship.
So what are you waiting for?
Let's
go!
Before we go our interview, ma'am, may we first know your name, your age, and address.
Good afternoon sa inyo. So, I am Grace Sabalan. I am from Malibong, Barangay Malibong, Bitondo, Pangasinan. Currently, I am 33 years old. Our greatest practice in our community to serve our people is that I think it's the spirit of bayanihan. Okay, so the people in our community, in our barangay, are helping each other without expecting anything in return.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. For the next question naman po is, what is your community's greatest problem that you are facing right now? And how you solve it?
So, our community's greatest problem that we are facing right now is that the high cost of farming, like the seeds, fertilizers, and the people there are struggling in the irrigation. They can't get enough water for their crop. So, our barangay, our community resolved it by nilalapit po kasi nila yon sa barangay officials, and then yung mga barangay officials is lumalapit din po sila sa municipal government para masolusyonan yung problema nung aming community.
Okay, thank you for that second wonderful answer from our interview today. For the third question naman po is, what is your stand about solving community problems and issues po?
Okay, so my stand in solving the community problems and issues is that I think leaders can't do it alone. So, kailangan din ng active participation from the community. Diba? Like, yung kunwari, pagtatapon ng basura, di ba napakasimple. Ang pwede naman na nating gawin as citizen of our community. So, yung bagay na yun, na maliit lang para sa'yo, di ba? Pero napakalaking tulong na nun sa ating community.
Thank you po da. And that's our interview today. Ma'am, ano po ulit pangalan ni ma'am? Ma'am Grace. Ayan po.